using water wisely. Candy has a habit of leaving the tap on after brushing his teeth. His mom had told him many times to turn off the tap after using it. Otherwise, it leads to the wastage of water. But he continued to do so. So, his mom wanted to make him realize the importance of water. By making water unavailable to him for cleaning and bathing for a day. Then he realized how life would be without water and promised his mom that he will not waste water from now on. His mom appreciated him and also explained to him the importance of water. Water is the most essential and important source on the earth. Almost 2/3 of the earth's surface is covered with water. But all the water is not available for drinking, as most of the water in the oceans and seas is salty, which is unfit for drinking. So, we all depend on the little amount of water available for several things like drinking, washing, bathing, cleaning, and cooking. Even animals and plants depend on water for survival. Animals drink water from the lakes and rivers to survive. Plants use water to make their food, as the roots absorb water and minerals and send it to different parts of the plant. But where does water come from? Let us know the sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. All the rivers, lakes, and ponds are filled up by rainwater. When rainwater goes deep inside the soil, it gets collected inside the earth. It is called groundwater. We can collect the groundwater by digging wells inside the earth. But the water in the lakes, rivers, and ponds is not suitable for drinking water, as they contain impurities. Drinking impure water causes diseases and stomach-related problems. So, these impurities are killed by waterworks or by many purification methods like boiling, filtration, and chlorination to get clean drinking water. Shortage of water when the water in the lakes and rivers get dried up due to less rainfall. There will be shortage of water. Even the water present in the underground needs rainwater to get recharged. Because of no rains, groundwater too becomes scarce. Not just that, cutting down forests, increase in population, and excessive usage of water too leads to shortage of water. So, people use different techniques to store water to avoid water scarcity. People store water tanks to store water for future use. Let us know one of the best methods to save rainwater. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the best method to store water. Let us know the process of harvesting rainwater. The rainwater collected from the rooftop of the building is allowed to flow through pipe into a tank. A filter is placed in the suction tank to remove the impurities present in the water and sent to the collection tank to store water. From the collection tank, the water is sent through pipes for the utilization of domestic purposes. We can use water for both indoor and outdoor purposes like gardening, cleaning. Rainwater harvesting can also be done by digging wells and bore wells to increase the groundwater levels. Save water. Fresh drinking water is a limited resource and most essential for human survival. We need to keep water pure and clean to save the environment. So, we should use water wisely by conserving it through various methods. Stop dumping the garbage or waste into rivers as it affects both humans and aquatic animals. Do not keep the tap water running on. Close the tap after utilizing it. Repair the leaking taps and pipes to avoid wastage of water. Spread awareness among your friends and neighbors to save water, as well as saving the environment. So, by following all the conservation methods, we can utilize water wisely. Let us recall. Water is the most important essential resource on the earth. Rainwater is the main source of water. Lakes, rivers, and ponds are filled up by rainwater. Rainwater harvesting is one of the best methods to conserve water for future use. Water is useful to us in many ways. So, we should use water wisely and avoid overrunning of water after utilizing it.